Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable disappearing messages on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the upper left corner. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various privacy and security features. Next, tap on Privacy. This section contains all the essential controls for protecting your conversations and personal information on Signal. Now scroll down until you find Default Timer for new chats and tap on it. This feature is what allows you to set a timer for how long your messages will remain visible before they automatically disappear. It's a powerful privacy tool that ensures your conversations don't stick around longer than necessary. You'll now see a list of time options to choose from. Signal gives you several preset durations including 4 weeks, 1 week, 1 day, 8 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes, and 30 seconds. There's also a custom time option if none of these fit your needs. Each option determines how long messages will stay visible in your chats before they vanish completely. Go ahead and tap your preferred option from the list. Choose the duration that makes the most sense for your privacy needs. If you want quick, ephemeral conversations, go for something short like 1 hour or 5 minutes. If you need a bit more time to reference older messages, you might prefer 1 day or 1 week. Once you've selected your preferred time, tap Save in the bottom right corner. This will apply your disappearing message timer as the default for all new chats you start from now on. Give it a moment to save your settings. And that's it, you've successfully enabled disappearing messages on Signal, making your conversations more private and secure by default. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.